Hello everyone, this is Deepti. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this cute little scene with no stamping or coloring just by using Crealies dies. For that, I have used the Sundays Patterns dies from Crealies latest release. In addition, I have used this on the edge hill dies and then this leaves dies with mirror images and then finally this cute little frog builder dies. And for the sentiment, I have also used words dice, which is missing here. I'll show you that later. But anyways, you can find the list of supplies in the description below. So to start with, I took this yellow cardstock from a 12 by 12 inches color cardstock pack and die cut it out using both the dies from Sunday's background dies. Here I marked the cardstock lightly with pencil and cut it out using scissors. Why I did that is just I don't want to waste the paper. Yes, I am a frugal crafter. So here I secure the dies using non-permanent tape and run this through my big shot. And similarly, I die cut out this blue cardstock using on the edge hill dies. Here I took green and pink cardstock and die cut out these leaves. And finally, I die cut it out this cute little froggy on a bright green colored cardstock. Here our die cutouts are ready and now it's time to assemble this card. For the card base, I took A4 size white cardstock and cut it out vertically into two halves. So our card base is ready and now it's time to adhere all the die cutouts. So here first I glued this emboss on this background and then I adhered blue cardstock which I die cut it out using hail dies upside down to make water for our seal. I added some foam tape to give it some dimension. Now our background is ready. Time to add the main character, which is our cute little froggy here, and then I added some more details in this background using green and pink leaves, which we die cut it out earlier. For the eyes, you can use these die cut out parts, but I decided to add googly eyes because it looks more fun. We had couple of choices here for the googly eyes, and then my little one intervened in between and helped me to finalize this one. So you see how she always comes to my rescue when I have to make some difficult choices like this one. For the sentiment, I have added this Dutch sentiment Van Harte, which means from the heart, which I die cut out on black cardstock using Crealies words with shadow die. For the final touch up, I added some glossy accent to the pink flowers to complete this card. So here we have created this little scene around this cute froggy just by using dies and no stamping and coloring. I really enjoyed making this card and putting this video together. I hope you like it too. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.